I know.
You did your double dip? No. Oh, you better not.
Ew, don't do double dips. It's
I
nasty.
did.
It was double dip.
Hannah.
I didn't put any sauce.
Look at everybody. We're at the fashion show. Should I put this on YouTube? I'm gonna put this on YouTube. Look at him. He's so stupid.
No.
You're so
Hey,
dumb.
careful.
No.
Oh,
It's a video.
Oh, it's a video. Okay, I was confused.
I see the salt.
I'm gonna put this on Facebook and on YouTube.
Now are you done?
Well, it's the only cup you
look at
get,
this.
so you better drink it.
Logan's gonna drink it.
No, that's gross.
Should I show myself?
Yeah? Show, reveal your...
No, have a video of
Get
yourself.
there.
Hi!
Katie, Jessica. Jamie, say hi to the camera. Say hi to One Direction.
Do you want ranch? You just
Say hi to Justin. Or YTF, or Justin Bieber.
Justin!
I miss Bieber.
Oh, hell no.
She's like, oh, Hannah, you did not just say
You
that.
know who's mine? James Gason. That's what I think that guy is. Mine. Beyond.
Dude, I told you not to do anything like that.
Like what?
No, I was doing it to match. I
Carlos.
put salt in my water.
Look at her. She's such a
You have
weirdo.
to give thanks.
Hold on. I
Thank
guess
you, Lord,
I
baby Jesus.
do. I have to
Thank you, Lord,
eat.
baby Jesus, for this delicious mixture of these beverages. Domino's, Kentucky Fried Chicken, none other Pizza Hut. Thank you, baby Lord Jesus. Thank you, Lord baby Jesus.
You know, he's not a baby anymore.
Well, I like the baby version.
I love that.
I can't wait to believe in the video. Oh my god, I can't
We're
wait.
still recording?
Yeah.
What would you do if Justin Bieber broke up with Selena Gomez?
I'd either cry or throw a party. I don't know, honestly. It's because I like them, but then I don't, but then I do.
Why is there butter when there's no... I'm eating!
Because maybe it's gonna come.
Maybe it's there for the entrees.
Or maybe you can just ask for like the butter instead of like reaching up.
Am I the only one not eating?
Yeah?
Okay, hold on, let me eat. You just stole some from my... Eat it. Just eat it.
Maddie, you think you're defeating me.
Alright. So I guess I have to eat. Bye!
Oh, there's bread!